Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Every 10 to 15 years. When was your air conditioning system installed? The Department of Energy recommends homeowners replace their HVAC system every 10 to 15 years. Modern air conditioners are durable, but their major components will begin to deteriorate after around 10 years depending on how often you use and maintain them.
Take our lead.
While it is always necessary to replace both air conditioning components at the same time, in a split system, it's not always necessary to replace both AC components and the furnace. Adding a furnace during your air conditioner replacement will cost a lot less, around $1,000 to $3,000.
Let's help you make your mark.
Bryant central AC units are a great option if you are looking for a model that features better than average efficiency and ozone-safe refrigerant. Most, if not all, of Bryant's air conditioner models have met the guidelines for an ENERGY STAR certification.
Let's help you make your mark.
ENERGY STAR recommends replacing your AC unit every 10 to 15 years. If you have an 8-year-old or older air conditioning system, it may not be worth the cost to repair it unless the repair is an easy fix, like a worn fan belt or a clogged condenser unit.
Let's help you make your mark.
It is significantly cheaper to do both your furnace and air conditioner at the same time. So in actuality, unless we did something wrong with our marketing strategy, we are busy installing air conditioners in the winter too. Therefore, winter is not the best time to buy an air conditioner.
Make your mark, take our lead.
If your ductwork is over 15 years old, you probably should replace it. Ductwork has a maximum lifespan of 20 to 25 years. By 15 years, however, it begins to deteriorate, significantly reducing your HVAC system's efficiency, so replacement is the prudent option.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.